Good afternoon, class 12s. This video is on factors affecting working capital and fixed capital. I will make one video on factors affecting fixed capital. The other one will be factors affecting working capital. Now we know what are fixed assets. Fixed assets are assets like plant and machinery, furniture and fixtures, land and building, and acquiring these fixed assets are called capital budgeting decisions. Fixed capital refers to investment in long-term assets. These investments may include things like expenditure on acquisition, expansion, modernization, replacement, automation, purchase of land, building, machinery, expenditure on advertising, research development, etc. Now, why these fixed capital investments are important? Because they are related to long-term growth, large amount. Obviously, because large amounts are involved, risk involved is more, and they are irreversible decisions. So once you have invested the money, it is very difficult to come out of a fixed capital decision without making a huge loss. So let's see what are the factors affecting fixed capital. The first four factors are nature of business. If you are a manufacturing concern, your fixed asset requirement or fixed capital requirement will be more because you will need to buy plant and machinery. A trading concern does not need it. Scale of operation, larger the scale, more the fixed asset requirement because more the amount of production. Choice of technique, obviously capital intensive will involve automation, will involve machinery. Labor intensive will not involve machinery. So labor intensive will require less fixed asset investment. Technology upgradation. If you are dealing in a product which becomes obsolete very soon, replacement will become due very fast. So you will require more money on fixed assets. Next is growth prospects and diversification. If you want to diversify, if you want to grow, if you want to diversify in unrelated fields, obviously your investments in fixed capital will be more because you will be needing to enlarge the capacity, construct new branches, buy new machinery, etc. The next point is on financial alternatives. Instead of purchasing a fixed asset, if you can lease it, rent it, obviously your fixed asset investments will come down. Next is level of collaboration. In case you share your fixed assets, you will need to invest less in them, like banks sharing each other's ATMs, mobile phone companies using each other's towers. Now there are three more factors which are related to fixed capital investment. What is that? Factors affecting capital budgeting decisions. When you choose a project, there are three factors which you will keep in mind: the cash flow of the project, the rate of return, and the investment criteria. If the cash flow is balanced, that is, cash receipts and cash payments are balanced over the life of investment, you will choose that project. It should not be bottom heavy or top heavy. Rate of return, obviously, if one proposal A has 10% return and proposal B has 12% return, you will choose proposal B provided the risk return trade-off is set off. And the investment criteria talks about amount of investment, interest rate, cash flows, and rate of return. All four should be taken care of when you are choosing a project. What are these 4 points? Amount to be invested, interest rate on loans or interest rate received, cash flows, and the ROI or ROE in the project. So these are the different factors which affect fixed capital investment and capital budgeting decisions. Thank you.